Cardiovascular disease continues to be the most prevalent of all non-communicable diseases worldwide. It's also the largest cause of death and disability. Disorders related to pathological blood clotting account for over 50% of cardiovascular-related deaths. This unmet clinical need for a safe and effective oral anticoagulant drug led to the discovery and development of apixaban, ELIQUIS. Tonight, we honor Robert Knabb, Patrick Lam, Michael Orwat, Donald Pinto, Mimi Quan, and Pancras Wong from Bristol-Myers Squibb for their pivotal contributions that led to the discovery of apixaban. The scientific journey that culminated in the discovery of apixaban began in late 1994 at DuPont Pharmaceuticals. At that time, most companies pursuing anticoagulants focused their research on identifying oral direct thrombin inhibitors. A few newer pharmaceutical efforts were directed at identifying oral factor Xa inhibitors. Apixaban was first synthesized at DuPont in January 2001. It was acquired by Bristol-Myers Squibb towards the end of that year with the purchase of DuPont Pharmaceuticals. In March 2002, apixaban was placed into development, and clinical trials were initiated at the end of that year. In 2007, Bristol-Myers Squibb entered into collaboration with Pfizer to develop and commercialize apixaban. Phase 3 was an extremely large and successful program investigating 5 indications in 9 trials. Over 1,000 sites enrolled more than 60,000 patients. This ultimately culminated in the successful NDA approval of apixaban under the brand name of ELIQUIS on December 28, 2012. Approved for multiple indications, the greatest impact of ELIQUIS will likely be its use for reducing the risk of stroke in patients with atrial fibrillation. In the main Phase 3 study for this indication, ELIQUIS was superior on both efficacy and bleeding safety to the decades-long standard of care, warfarin. This represents a very important scientific advancement for patients. The American Chemical Society honors these heroes of chemistry from Bristol-Myers Squibb for their outstanding contributions to science and their service to society.